we are using the Frogotter education system, and today we are doing N009, favourite type of book. And my special guest is a tiger. Okay, so the equipment we need is a squared whiteboard, pen, eraser and a ruler. Now here in the book, if you look, is a bar chart showing the favourite types of books of some of my friends. So we need to have a brief look and see if we can answer these questions. Which type of book was the most popular?
Humour.
Good. How many people did I ask all together? Oh, this is
Which type of book was the least popular comic?
It was the least popular, wasn't it?
You asked 12 people.
That's very good, okay. No, I didn't ask 12 people. If you look, 12 people said humorous, 3 people said comic, 6 people said non-fiction, 10 people said adventure, and 5 people said poetry. Now we haven't reached the point in the course yet where we're teaching children to do long addition, but there's nothing wrong with showing them how it's done yourself. So if you watch, I will do it. 2 and 3 is 5, add 6 is 11, add 5 is 16. So we put the tens 1 there and we put the 6 there for the units. And then we add the tens together.
Which is
1
2.
and 1. Ah, we want that spare one that I'm carrying over from the previous one, and that gives me 3. So it's 36 people altogether. Okay. The next question says, do your own survey, record your results in a table, and then make a bar chart of your results. And we may struggle a bit, but it does suggest maybe you could do a survey of finger lengths. Well, that sounds very good, because you have plenty of fingers that we could use. So let's start by doing the table of results on this side. Yeah. No, you cannot.
I'm going to try anyway.
Okay. Okay, if you would come here, Tiger, I would like to measure your fingers. Now we're going to start with this one. And this one is 5 centimetres long. So I should write finger 1 is 5 centimetres. We'll write here length in centimetres, then I don't have to write centimetres after every single length. Finger 2 is 7 centimetres. Oh, do you think you can measure a finger? I think you might measure finger 3. Do you want to measure finger 4? Well, I'll do finger 3 then, because otherwise we're going to get confused. We want to measure all of the fingers. And I make this another 7 centimetres, because I want to do it to the nearest centimetre. Can you measure this finger?
I'm pretty sure my finger is about...
I think you're measuring further down than I was. I was only measuring the finger, I wasn't measuring...
6.
Okay, well, that one's 6. Can you measure that thumb?
My finger
We want to start from just the bottom of the thumb. There we go. How long do you make that?
5 centimetres.
Yeah, I think that's right.
1 finger.
So now we'll measure the next one. Do you think it's going to be similar? Yeah, I made that as another 5 for the thumb. Yeah, I'll make that another 6 for that one.
I think.
Middle finger on this hand. That's definitely 7 again.
Where's 7 so common?
That is a good question. I don't know why you have so many fingers that are 7 centimetres long. Obviously, that is the modal length of your fingers. Again, and that one is another 5. So that's good, because that means that your fingers match. Now what we're going to do next is...
My fingers match?
We're going to make a bar chart. So we're going to need bars for 5, 7 and 6. Tiger, could we not do that, please? Okay, now I want you to tell me how many fingers were 5 centimetres long.
4.
Good. how many fingers were 7 centimetres long?
4.
And how many fingers were 6 centimetres long?
2.
Now that's interesting, because when we did it you thought that 7 centimetres was the most common, didn't you? But it turns out that 5 is equally common. Okay, so we're going to put finger length up the side. And we're going to put number of fingers at the bottom. No, we're not. We're going to put finger length along the bottom. A number of fingers up the side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the first bar for you. So we're going to have a 5 centimetre bar. Okay. Now, we put, that would be 1, that would be 2, that would be 3, that would be 4. We'll put 5 in, even though we didn't have any that high. So, if we put this first bar, we had 4 fingers that were 5 centimetres long. So we make a bar for the 5 centimetre. It goes all the way up to 4 fingers, okay? Now the next length was 6 centimetres.
Which goes all
which
the
was
way
2.
up.
Can you use the ruler? Oh, that's it, very good. Nice straight line, make sure it only goes to 2. Oh, where's it gone to?
3.
Yeah, that's okay. Oh, no, I didn't mean that's okay, I said let's leave it. I meant that's okay because we can rub it out. Have another go. Now the 2 centimetres on this blue line here, so let's just rub this out and have another crack at it, okay? Try to make it go on the squared lines. That's very good. We're not using the roller. That's all wobbly. Okay, let's do the next one and let's try really hard with using the ruler this time, okay? So we had 4 fingers that were 7 centimetres long, didn't we? Try to, if you hold your ruler straight. What? No, no, no. You need to hold your ruler straight on the line you're doing it. That's it. And your pen should, no, 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 no. And then use the ruler. Your pen should touch against the side of the ruler to give you a nice straight line. That's good. I think this is the straightest line. What do you think?
I agree with you.
Yeah, that's a good line. That is a good line. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope we will see you again.